everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first video I'm doing on my channel. I am here to show you a DIY project which could enhance your wall of memories. So let's get started. The materials you'll need for this project are a mesh. You can get it in a local hardware shop and you can get it cut as per your requirement. And you'll need some wooden clips, some photos of your choice, and LED string light and a spray paint of your choice. I'm taking black here as per my requirement. Let's get started. Mesh which I have spray painted into black, and I have got it framed within a wooden frame, and it costed me around like $250. So, and for the size it's quite reasonable, right? So let's pin up the photos and put on the string light, and let's see the final outcome. You can pin the photos of your choice. That's how you pin it. And I have asked the framing person to put on a cardboard at the back, so it just gives a raw look, and it is just different and looks good for this DIY project. Make a bigger size one and put in as many photos as you like for a wall. It just looks different, right, from the regular ones, and it looks good. And you just spend like 350 rupees, or yeah, with the string light it's just going to be like 350 rupees or 400. That's it. On the string lights, let's switch it on and check out how it looks. So this is how it looks once you put on the LED string lights. Isn't it wonderful? Let's put it on a wall and check out how it looks on the wall. Yeah, this is how it looks once we put on the wall with all those string lights and all those photos of our choice. It looks different, right? It looks wonderful. So let us switch off the ceiling light and check only in the effect of the LED light. Ta-da! Wow, looks good and different. You guys should try this out and let me know how your family members or friends are liking it. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye.